Alright, so we're here at SRP Falls, Arizona Falls. This is a man-made waterfall. I don't know much about it. The guy at the Scottsdale Museum told me about it. We're going to go take a look at it and see what it has in store. Out here revisiting some history on this beautiful Sunday, on this beautiful September weekend. It's amazing. If you look real closely right here, this is the same map we just got from the last museum. We got a bunch of copies, real high-quality copies of this map. The Hohokam Indians dug these canals throughout the valley. You can see Mesa, Gilbert, Chandler, Tempe, Phoenix, Glendale, all the way over into Surprise and the White Tanks over here. It's pretty impressive. Alright, so the guy said that it's mostly indoors. We're going to take a look. It's pretty hot outside, about 100 degrees. It's still a little bit of summertime. Like I said, we're heading September. It's going to get better, more hiking weather soon. We have a lot more hiking videos coming soon, a lot more outdoors ones. Petroglyphs probably be the soonest one we're going to get to that's history related. Let's take a look at these Arizona Falls. So they got nice and fenced off over on this angle. You can actually see the canal, the main canal over here. I'm going to try and get some footage of that next to the mountain so we can see what that looks like. You can see there's a nice, pretty park underneath it. The guy was saying that basically the people who had the railroads ended up selling the sides of the property next to the railroads in order to make some extra cash. But this is what the falls look like right here from this angle, coming in from the canal. You see it's like one of those big irrigation ditches that things kind of just get swallowed up into. There's a path on the other side we're going to take a look at too. As you can see, this is the other side of the Arizona Falls. You can see it comes out quite a bit faster. I think it comes out at a different level too. Drops down a little bit and proceeds down at that angle. There's actually a pathway we're going to take down to see the rest of it. Alright, this is what I'm talking about. Look at that fall. That is aggressive. You do not want to get caught up in that beast. I tell you, you have a bad day. That's going to be pretty quickly. It continues downward. You see there's a bridge over here. It crosses over the canal. And you can see how it kind of slams up against that down there. Then it continues on down through. But I mean, that's a giant drop off right here. You can see it's pretty significant. And it's coming after this way. Oh my gosh, it goes down further. Wow, we got a guy over there filming. That's how beautiful this place is. You can see right there. We got some lady over there. And then we got the guy filming her. That's how fantastic this place is. As you can see the waterfall behind me over here. We have more over here. This is like the pinnacle of the fall right way behind me, so pretty nice. Pretty beautiful, fantastic. You're getting here real up close to the water. You can see it's not exactly great quality water, but this is the waterfall system. You can see behind there, there's a lot of piping. I don't even know if I can be heard over the water, but it's pretty loud down here. You have a lot of water behind me coming down the sides of the brick wall over here, and even right over the like these big limestone. Probably not limestone, but these giant boulders. You can see this is a marvel of man and what man can do. This is quite amazing to think that human beings are capable of doing this. We did it in Rome, and we're doing it now. Hopefully we can stay away from that type of decadence that leads Rome down the dark path that it took. Again, I just want to show the significance of these pipings behind me to see how large they are. I mean, it's super humid down here, 100 degrees. The water around doesn't make it very helpful, but you can see all that piping behind me goes that way. It also connects all the way that way. And looks like there's little valves you can turn to even stop it however you want to. But you can see behind me, it's a marvel of man. Alright, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed revisiting history. Get out here and visit yourself. I said the main reason I get out here to do this is because I want you guys to get a first-hand impression of what it's like to revisit history.